The fireplace in the old manor never went out. Clara arrived to inherit the place, surprised by the flames licking hungrily at charred logs, though she'd never lit a match. At night, the fire crackled louder, casting writhing shadows that whispered her name. She tried dousing it. Water sizzled uselessly. The next morning, she found her own photograph in the ashes, blackened at the edges. Each night, the flames grew taller, their whispers sharper. On the seventh night, the fire roared and a scorched, grinning face appeared inside. It smiled. Clara screamed, but the house muffled her cries.